Every day, contractors, councils and utility companies excavate for the installation of underground facilities or must locate existing pipes, cables and lines for maintenance and repair. An underground utility strike, however, can be catastrophic, affecting thousands of people and costing millions of dollars. A single incident may cause personal injury or death, property damage, lost work opportunity, community disruption, ecological damage and insurance liability. Excavation damage causes over 40% of all pipeline leaks and ruptures, and more than half of all cable service outages, with the highest proportion of those caused by hand tools. Disruption of power and telecommunications networks is dangerous, expensive and inconvenient, impacting traffic control systems as well as health and emergency services. The importance of minimising underground utility strikes and their consequences cannot be denied. Fortunately, there is another solution. Hydro-excavation is a cutting-edge green technology that uses pressurised water to safely and surgically convert solid ground into loose soil that is quickly removed by a powerful truck-mounted vacuum system. The process allows for quick, clean and precise excavations, which require less backfill, less labour force, less restoration and have significantly less environmental impact than conventional excavation methods. For the company doing the excavation, this means lower costs to repair damaged infrastructure, saving the costs and inconvenience of interrupted utility services, avoiding serious injury or death to workers and the public, reducing liability and insurance costs, and preventing the loss of the company's reputation, revenues, and employee morale. Underground utility locations are easily confirmed and mapped using hydro-excavation in a fraction of the time that conventional digging would take, and with much less damage to the surrounding area. International studies found that soft digging methods could reduce underground strikes to nearly zero.
This is part of a infrastructure upgrade where they're taking the overhead lines and burying them. Our part here is to identify where existing services such as gas and water are and locate a safe path for the drill shot to go through when they put the cables through later.
Working in conjunction with arborists, southeast hydro excavators are able to work right up against tree lines and other vegetation whilst ensuring full protection to tree roots.
One of the advantages with the equipment that we're using is the ability to actually lower the pressure on the water blaster. This allows us to dig through tree roots without actually damaging the trees themselves.
Hydro excavation is well suited for trenching through areas with services or landscaping, including working safely in proximity to gas, oil and energised services. Hydro excavation also allows precision excavation for the placement of structures, foundations and equipment, as well as the ability to work in confined areas where access for conventional excavation equipment is not possible. Southeast Group introduced New Zealand to this breakthrough technology and has built an enviable industry-wide reputation for being both reliable and innovative. Through comprehensive training, Southeast operators gain an in-depth knowledge of hydro-excavation technology and are required to complete an operator competency assessment, making them the best in the business. SmartDig, the leading vacuum truck manufacturer in New Zealand, has worked closely with Southeast Group to develop hydro excavators tailored to New Zealand conditions. Safety and productivity are designed into every unit. Southeast Group use only dedicated hydro excavation equipment, which eliminates the risk of cross-contamination with other waste loads. Southeast also have available specialist hot water equipment for cleaning of concrete and for hydro excavating in difficult soil types. Whether your excavation job is big or small, Southeast Hydro Excavation Service offers you the fastest, cleanest and safest way to get the job done.